Online Class Philippines. Welcome to Math 10. Today, we are going to study about arithmetic sequence. Sequence is a set of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Example 3, 5, 7, and 9. 3 is the first term, while 5 is the second term. 7 is the third term. 9 is the fourth term. You can also see 3 dots. That means goes on forever. Term, element, or member means the same thing. Arithmetic sequence. The difference between one term and the next is a constant. In other words, we just add the same value each time infinitely. Example 1, 4, 7, 10, 3, 16, 19, 22, 25. Now, what is the difference? 4 minus 1 is 3. So we have 3. Let's try another. 7 minus 4 is still 3. So we just add 3 from our term to complete the arithmetic sequence. This sequence has a difference of 3 between each number. The pattern is continued by adding 3 to the last number each time, like this, as shown in the photos. So from 1 we jump 3 steps to make it 4. From 4 we jump 3 steps to get into 7. From 7 another 3 steps to 10. 10 then another 3 steps and we have 13. From 13 we have another 3 steps to get 16 and so on. In general, we could write an arithmetic sequence like this. A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, and so on, where A is the first term and D is the difference between the term called the common difference. For example, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25 has the A is equals to 1. 1 is the first term. D is equals to 3. 3 is the common difference between the term. How are we sure? 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. And we get this. A, then A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D. So that will be 1 and 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 2 times 3 and 1 plus 3 times 3. So the answer will be 1, 4, 7, and 10. Let's check. 1 plus 3 is 4. That is the second term. 1 plus 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. That is the third term. Next, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. That is the fourth term. So this is consistent. Rule. We can write an arithmetic sequence as a rule. X sub n is equal to A plus D, open parenthesis, n minus 1, close parenthesis. We used n1 because D is not used in the first term. Example, write a rule and calculate the ninth term for the arithmetic sequence. 3, 8, 13, 18, 23, 28, 33, 38. This sequence has a difference of 5 between each number. Let's try. 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 18 minus 13 is 5. Now, if we're going to go on with the photo, 3 go on with 5 steps to get into 8, another 5 steps to 13, another 5 steps to 18. The value of A and D are A, first term, that will be 3, and D, the common difference, is equal to 5. Using the arithmetic sequence rule, so we are going to put the A, that will be 3 plus 5 and minus 1. So 3 plus 5n minus 5. So 5n minus, so that will be negative 5 minus 3, that will be negative 2. So that will be 5n minus 2. So the ninth term is 5 times 9 minus 2 is equal to 43. Advanced topic, summing an arithmetic series. To sum up the term of this arithmetic sequence, A plus open close parenthesis A plus D close parenthesis plus open parenthesis A plus 2D close parenthesis plus open parenthesis A plus 3D close parenthesis plus so on. Use this formula. N minus 1 summation over case equal to 0. Open parenthesis A plus KD close parenthesis is equal to N over 2 open parenthesis 2A plus open parenthesis N minus 1 multiplied by D close parenthesis. This capital E is called sigma. And below and above it are shown the starting and ending values. To start with this value, go to this value 4. N is equals to 1. So the 4 is the starting value, that is the first term. And N is equals to 1, that is the difference. N is what to sum. Equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 10. It says sum up N, where N goes from 1 to 4. Answer will be 10. Here is how to use it. Example, add the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence. 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. The values of A, D, and N are: A is 1, that is the first term. D is 3, that is the common difference between the term. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. N is equal to 10. How many terms to add up? So according to our example, we have 10 terms to add up. So we're going to put the N minus 1, sigma K is equal to 0, open parenthesis A plus KD close parenthesis is equal to N over 2, open parenthesis 2A plus open parenthesis N minus 1 close parenthesis multiplied by D close parenthesis becomes 10, that is your N, minus 1. Then sigma K is equals to 0. So A is your first term, A plus K, and your D is 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 10 over 2 open parenthesis 2 times 1 plus 10 minus 1 times 3. So that will be 5 open parenthesis 2 plus 9 times 3 is equals to 5 times 29 is equal to 145. Thank you for listening. See you on the next lesson.